Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the instant lock. Open Settings, go to Accounts and Sign-in Options. Change the If You've Been Away setting to Never so Windows won't demand the password after brief idle periods. Once done, scroll to Dynamic Lock and disable it. Dynamic Lock can trigger locks when a paired phone moves away. Make sure no unwanted Bluetooth device is paired. Unpair anything you don't recognize. These steps remove the most common automatic triggers quickly, before deeper edits. Next, adjust how long Windows waits before locking. Open Power and Sleep and extend screen and sleep timeouts to longer values that match your workflow. Then choose additional power settings, change plan settings, and select Require a Password on Wake to Know. This prevents lock on wake. If you need machine-wide enforcement or Home Edition, lax gpedit. MSC, use the Registry, but export a backup first and follow exact key names. These changes control idle and wake behavior. Finally, apply and verify. Sign out and sign back in, or restart Windows so all policy and registry changes take effect. You should test by leaving the PC idle for the new timeout length and confirm it does not lock unexpectedly. If locking persists, check the screensaver settings, uncheck on Resume, display Logon screen, and inspect third-party security or power utilities that override Windows settings. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable Bluetooth to rule out dynamic lock. If that stops it, a paired device was the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.